HVAC and its importance in conditioning air. Summers and winters are part and parcel of our life. We use HVAC units to moderate the room temperature. These are machines that play a crucial role in making our home a proper home. We should choose the equipment based on our requirement. After the installation of these machines, we do understand that it has not only lowered our energy bills, but also has provided a conducive ambience. It is mandatory that each and every home is properly equipped to retain the heat during winter and expel it in summer. A proper heating and cooling system moderates heat and fosters a peaceful sleep through the year, thus helping us lead a healthy, wealthy and wise life. Let us now see the definition of a HVAC system. It is equipment made to heat the existing air in the enclosed space in winter and to cool and condense it in summer. HVAC system, as the name suggests, has three important functions. The first one is heating. The function of the heating system is to provide thermal comfort to your residents in extreme winters. The next is ventilation. This improves the quality of the indoor air. The equipment draws the fresh air from outside and channelizes into the room. At the same time, pulls polluted air from inside and expels it out, so an optimum temperature is maintained. The third is air conditioning. This equipment absorbs the hot air, cools it, condenses it and sends it inside the room, thus making the room cool. There are many benefits of a HVAC system. It helps in improving the indoor air quality, helps in good ventilation, brings the energy bills lower, is easy to maintain, moderates the room heat throughout the year, provides quality and quantity air, and finally leads to a healthy living. These machines may pose problems due to gaps, holes and cracks in the ducts, clogged ducts, improper insulation of ducts and machines, broken thermostats, poor maintenance, hence machines are noisy, not Energy Star rated. Sometimes HVAC units can become ineffective. There are many service providers to help you install, service and maintain HVAC units. All cities house many experts on these services. We can always find about discounts and offers. Some of them provide annual maintenance contracts. These service providers help you with all the relevant solutions in heating, insulation, air conditioning and duct sealing. Avail these opportunities and make your home a sweet home. I have 17 years of experience in teaching English in an ISC school. I was an Educational Excellence Co-Coordinator and have presented papers in seminars. I have written contents for air conditioning sites. As a part-time venture, I take spoken English classes too. I am a voracious reader and books are my best companions. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Katie_Peterson/1498216